Here is the same Shruti box and the same problem with same reed. It's a buzzing. This reed is making buzzing sound, so I will resolve in front of you and making a video for you. So this reed is making a buzzing sound. So let's check how to resolve the issue. So you need to open the Shruti box. It's a G reed. So this is G, and first you need any thin kind of object, iron or steel blade kind of object. So this is G. So if you check, the tongue is touching the surface. The other one, it's normal. Others are normal, but this is not normal. This is making buzzing sound because of the tongue touching the surface. So you have to check which side the tongue touching the surface. So let me check. I just push to left side. Now checking. The reed is still making same sound. So I just pushed to left and now I push to right. Now you can hear the sound perfectly all right. So basically you have to make the tongue straight from both sides. You can check which side from which side the tongue touching the surface. You have to just check it out. Now the tongue is straight and making normal sound. Now let's check on the Shruti box. Now the reed is normal. Finally, we resolve the issue. You just have to make the tongue straight from both sides, and you can check the sound now.